don't be the strict guys. Guys, I have more exciting news coming. There's something exciting that is coming. If you are a mentor and you're in South Africa, I have something exciting coming up. I forgot to even mention it because I'm busy with some few things here. If you are a mentor, I have something. If you are a mentor, you started Forex after me. I don't, even the guys from before me, I don't mind. So, but most of the guys after me, I have something exciting for you. Danko baf sketi. Seqali liyagqilaza lento.
Mama chaza uma-bathroom
Good bathroom, ne?
la udongeni kukwena ukuthi ufake imozo ekuthali
Noma
ufaka kodwa phansi mhlawumbe ngawafaka
la kanje. Khona lawa bhuti, khona kufike kube yiwo bese kube lokuhlukanisa okuhle lokungena lapha nendawo. Iloko emuhle lo mosaic bese kuba yilawa phansi bese kuyishawa ke nakhona ngifuna nje nice.
Kuyishawa.
Khona lawa amancanyana lawa nice angena kuyishawa. Yes. Share my love for you. Yeah, uye lo mosaic lo. Yes. Bawafake phansi kuyishawa. Yes.
One is lawa for the shower.
Yeah, for the shower. Yes, for the shower.
Then
elungikhotela ke konke. Elungikhotha. Kube khona lawa amahle lawa divider nje udongo. Abamancane nje
unawo lawa amancane.
Yes. Enza nje udongo libe sexy, libe beautiful. Yabo nawe uenjoy ukuba kuyishawa uzushaya ama video yabo. Shower kumele uzushaya ivideo kuyishawa. Ungabi depressed kuyishawa. Hey. You must be excited. You must be excited when you're inside the shower. I know khotha lokho kutholayo okunye
phansi ke ukhetha
kuyishawa ne
ayi kushawa phansi kuyibhathi
kuyibhathi ne
singakayi kushawa
imahle lawo ilama option kuphela nawo awutho akumyeke lo zombheka ya kumyeke ubhata akodile nalabo gayabo abanye labo. Yes. Yeah, out in no veranda, man. Share my love for you. Okay, I said I have exciting news for the mentors. If you are a South African mentor, you are starting your academy. You are teaching Forex as an individual. Send me a DM today. I have exciting news for you. I wanna help mentors grow as mentors. I want to do something for mentors. I'll see students mustn't complain. I'll see them, but right now just want to focus on your mentors. I want to make sure that and ensure that the content that is being taught by the mentors is top tier content and they do everything in the right way. So if you are a mentor, send me a DM right now. If you're a Forex mentor, I don't care which academy you're coming from, send me a DM right now. I have something I need to hook you up with, and it's gonna be very major. It's gonna be very big. So, for a South African mentor, send me a DM right now. I'm very excited. You're gonna be working with me, with Xness as well. Well, fuck these scammers. We don't do scammers here. Wanna make sure that in the game you will last forever. We don't want you to be kicked out by the game. We don't want you to be doing fake stunts. We want to ensure that you're on the right path. You are earning your money in a good way, not scamming clients. That's my philosophy. That's what I'm going to be doing next, helping every new beginner mentor to make it out. So if you are a mentor, send me a DM. I will be helping you with that. Stop this thing of shitty deals with brokers. You're not going to be getting that. You are with me. I'll help you get everything. So catch me in Sentin City on the 15th of June 2023. Catch me in Sentin City. I'll be presenting. I'll send more details. I'll do a poster, help you guys. I'm all about mentors. If you're a Forex mentor, send me a DM. Stop this thing of working with people that do not care about your interests. So I'm working with mentors Students, I've worked with students for quite some time now. I've worked with students for years. I've seen students turning into mentors and all that. But right now, my main focus will be for all of you guys who are saying, what's happening? I'm not teaching Forex, but if I have to teach Forex, I'll just give you guys the techniques on what to teach and how to teach it. So that's it. So Sentin City, 15th of June 2023. Students are not allowed to come as a mentor. I'm kidding. Students may come also, but my main focus will be mentors. We are building right now. I'm at building. I'm all about building. We need to build a strong, solid mentorship program for every student that is out there. So not this thing that when QBanks comes into South Africa will be laughing at us as to how saturated we are as mentors. That's bullshit. You go see events that were held by traders from America. They were holding like Forex trading, I don't know what they called it, but Forex trading, whatever that they were holding, where all the top big mentors were there and they were invited. So that doesn't just come easy, because us, we want to just have those pride that I'm better than who. I'm not better than anyone. Just that I've been in the game for too long so that now I can help you guys to grow as mentors as well. There's different ways to make money. You don't even need money from the clients. You don't even need a cent from the clients. You don't even need to scam any client. Provide your services well as a mentor. Provide your services well. I'm going to be working with mentors, helping you guys grow, build your brands. You know, the brand FX Goat is known internationally till today. Everyone knows about that brand because of how we sat down and structured it and built it. That's it. So you guys, if you want to be as bigger as FX Goat, even bigger than that, send me a DM right now. Tell me you're a mentor, this is my academy, or I'm a trader, I'm pushing alone, I'm pushing this, or I'm a trader, I'm pushing with a particular group. Send me a DM, speak to me. I'll get you on. I'll put you on. I know all the big bosses. I've spoke with all the big bosses. This thing of you getting 3% in commission must end today. This thing of getting IB beginners commission must end. You are working with the GOAT, and the GOAT cares about your interests. Ask the ones that are ahead of you in the game. Ask the ones that are way ahead of you in the game. They're going to assist you. Not this thing of brokers playing with you. So get ready to jump in, kicking it in with Jaguar. Anyone is allowed to come. I've had a lot of experience. I've worked with all the best brokers in the whole world. I know the deal that most of you guys are getting, and I'm here to help you. Thank you. Just joining, please repeat what you said. I'm sorry, man. I've already done well with everything, but what I was saying is that I'm going to be working with mentors. I want to groom the mentors. I want to mentor the mentors. I want to make the mentors to be the best system, or to be the best thing that ever came from the country. So that's my philosophy moving forward. Students, we're going to see students. Right now, we need to tackle who's teaching, and what are they teaching, which services are they providing, how can we make those services to be even better. That's all about. And different, which robot are you selling? Are you making money from the robot you are selling yourself? All those things. But I tackle those things, fix them up, then we go. We have a great system, everyone. Which broker deal are you having? You sit down, show me the numbers. I want to see the numbers. Get you the better deal. We move forward. I don't own a broker. I don't have a broker. But we work with brokers in terms of providing the best services for our clients. So basically, that's how it should be. That's how we should do. That's where we are heading. That's it. So yeah, I'm here for you, and I'm gonna help you. Then after that, you then gonna take that knowledge to each and every academy that you are having. Then you give back to that academy. That's all I want. Growth. Everyone grows. It's a win-win situation. You win. I don't have nothing to win from this, but I'm helping. That's all I'm about. Helping mentors grow bigger and better. Yeah, as a mentor, when you come, must come with your girlfriend. We're tired of you guys not having girlfriends. Yeah, NFP Signal special. I'll release it on my Telegram group right now. Just make sure you join my Telegram. Then you're gonna get. I need to join the mentorship. Yeah, you can join my mentorship anytime, bro. You can join. Other than that, let's go to your mentor. Signing out. Let's go to your mentor. Signing out. I love you guys. See you soon. See you soon. Sentin City. See you soon. Hey, babe, why are you showing snakes?
I'm watching them. I know why it's to watch.
Hey.
I wanna see what.
Baby, go outside of the snakes. Yeah, baby, I'll get one. You will burn. So yeah, other than that, let's go to your mentor. Can I get some 5 emojis before I go? Can I get some 5 emojis before I go? NFP, we're coming soon. NFP, we're gonna get an NFP signal, giving information for free to everyone who's interested in having it. How I joined, bro. Don't worry. More details are coming soon. I'm just giving you the glance of what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, get ready. Mentoring the mentors. Gonna be having a real chat with all the mentors. Real chat. Other than that, let's go to your mentor signing out.